Hey guys, what's happening? How to remove link from Instagram bio. So go ahead and open up your Instagram app. Click your profile at the bottom right. And then what you're gonna do, just go ahead and hit edit profile. And then hit links. And then go to the link that you want to remove. And then hit remove link and double click to remove that link. So now you deleted that link like once and for all. I'll turn on the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Turn on the notification bell to receive every video we upload. Thank you.